Number 3. This won't take a lot of time. We are asked, we're given that x is equal to 3 cosine t and y equals 4 sine of t. Now, because, I'm going to let you in on a little secret, because the amplitude of cosine is 3 and sine is 4, because they're not the same, it's not a circle. But what would you think intuitively? If it's not a circle, what might it be? It'd be an ellipse, right? So we think it's an ellipse. Now the equation for the an ellipse is like a circle that's stretched on one side. An oval is what we call it if we're in an art class, but we're in AP Calculus, so we will call it an ellipse. I'm recording. So an ellipse looks something like this: x squared over a, well, it's x over a squared plus y over b squared equals 1. So now we're asked to write the Cartesian equation based on the parametric equations. And so what I want to do is I'm going to start by substituting the x and y with 3 cosine of t and 4 sine of t. Now again, we want to make this equal 1. We want to make this equal 1. So now, how can I make it equal 1? Well, the one thing that I would like to do is I need to figure out what I'm going to plug in for A and what I'm going to plug in for B. Okay? Don't leave yet. Don't leave yet. What could I plug in for A?
1.
No.
5.
I want the left-hand side to be cosine squared plus sine squared. Right? Because we know that that equals 1.
You have to multiply by 3.
So what do my A and B have to be?
A is 3, B is 4.
A is 3, B is 4,
4.
and that would leave me with cosine squared plus sine squared equals 1. Is that true?
Yes.
What's my Cartesian equation? What's my Cartesian equation? The Cartesian equation should be x over 3 plus y over 4, all this squared, plus 1. So that's technically the answer.
I
Will you
don't
call Simmons and tell her we'll be late?
Yes, please.